My name is Ana Maria Cannon. I'm from Colombia. I'm studying kitchen management. I was looking for extend my visa with a BED course in kitchen management, and I was looking for different schools. I realized that Greenwich was open a new campus here in Gold Coast. Everything new, so brand new kitchen, a new pencil, so that is the thing that I choose Greenwich. The teachers are so good. I feel very comfy with them. The good thing here is like you have Aussie teachers, but also you have Brazilians and from different parts of the world. I choose Australia because it's a country that you can find people from everywhere. In Colombia, I study pastry, and when I arrived here in Australia, I started to study English for 6 months, and then I decided to study kitchen. I mean, they are giving me all the tools to go to the real world. And if I want to be a head chef, I'm learning how to do calls, how to deal with problems. I like to study here in the Gold Coast. I don't know, just the vibes. People, the beach is near, the summer. Also, the campus here is super nice. It's brand new, so I think it's very comfy. If it's your first time in Australia, I just gonna say like, go ahead, because this is like a roller coaster. It's part of the process, like just give a chance and try.